Ms. Fogan, you were here yesterday for sentencing. There was an incident in the courtroom. Based on all of that, I raised your bond. Mr. Lewis asked that we bring you out today. Mr. Lewis, what is?
Yesterday afternoon, I went and spoke with Ms. Fogan, everything going on with the case. One, she did apologize to me, and she said, of course, when she had the opportunity, she wanted to apologize to you, to the court, for her actions yesterday. Did explain to her it would have to be a straight probation with the restitution. And she told me she was more than willing to accept that.
Mr. Hoffpower?
The court wants to allow her to do straight, that's fine, I understand.
The most important thing to me, obviously, I don't know that you deserve a probation at all with your criminal history. But as I said yesterday and today, it is time for you to have some responsibility and some consequences for continuing to commit felony offenses. You know, it's great that you can finish a deferred probation, but at some point you got to quit getting felony offenses and quit violating the law. And so I don't think that's fair at all. So what I can do, if you guys would want to agree to a convicted probation, I can reinstate everything we've done prior to today, make that modification on the paperwork, and go forward with sentencing. The modification will be a 2/5. It will be a 5-year probation. It will be a convicted 2/5. I'm not inclined to order a fine because I want that restitution paid. If I follow an agreement to give you 2 years in the state jail, but probate it for 5 years, order that restitution. You can't change your mind later. This is your agreement. Is that correct? All right, then at this time, find you guilty of the state jail felony offense of theft of property. Sentence you in accordance with your new agreement to a term of 2 years in the state jail prison, but I'm going to probate that. You'll be on probation for 5 years. You're ordered to pay the $10,000 fine, restitution, and to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. If you do this, this is still a good opportunity because you will be able to serve that 2-year sentence while you're out on probation instead of in the state jail prison. The other side of that, though, is if you violate any condition of probation at all, you will be brought back into court and you will be facing that 2-year sentence that I just gave you. Do you understand? Good luck to you, ma'am.
I'm very sorry. I was going through a lot, which I understand is not an excuse. And I do apologize for my actions and behavior.
I appreciate that. Make sure that while you're on probation, that you don't let those emotions also get in the way of you being cordial and doing what you're supposed to on this probation as well as the other one that you're on, because that just in itself could get you right back in here. Even if you disagree with whatever they're ordering, if you disagree, you disagree. But you have to do everything they said. You have to be cordial. Thank you for your apology. You can go back with the bailiff.